Hello students, in this small video we will try to explore Nlist, that is National Library and Information Services Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. It provides us lots of e-journals and e-books. Let's start. To start Nlist, you first have to go in the library to register your name as a willing candidate for Nlist. Then library will provide your details to the Nlist authority and they will send a email to your inbox. Just you can see, and you have to activate your account by clicking the hyperlink. In this particular mail you will receive and your user ID and password in the form of OTP. As you click on the link provided in the email, you will be reached at the Nlist homepage. Alternatively, you can visit the same page by clicking the library tab in your college website or through the web OPEX service of the library. After logging into the window, you will go to the e-resource page, and in the e-resource you can have two segments. One is for e-journals and another one is for e-books, and you can see that there are different packages under both the e-books and e-journals, and beside every packages the number of entity in each packages have been provided. As for example, if we go with the Indian journals, there are 180 titles. If you go for annual reviews, there are 33 titles. On the other hand, in the ebooks, there are also same thing is visible. Now, if we go to the Indian Journals link, it will redirect you to its homepage. And if we search it for the subject philosophy, you can see there are more than 100 articles have been provided by the package, and if you click any of it, the details will be available. And if you click on the PDF, the entire journal article is available for viewing or downloading, whatever you want to do with it. So now if we try for another subject, it would be psychology, or can we precise it with child psychology, as there are many students are associated with MDC Library Science from Psychology Department. So there are 764 articles are there, and in other case, if you directly click on the PDF button, then you will have the entire paper. So either you may click on the detail or you may directly click on the PDF. In both cases, you will get the same result. And in case of book, if we click on eBrary, then the homepage of eBrary will come, and if we search it with any search term like microbiology, then expected some ebooks will be available for the subject microbiology, and you can see that 12,442 books are available. And if we click on soil microbiology, download the entire document, or you can download any chapter of your according to your requirement. So if we click on the chapter 1, so click on download PDF, and now you can download it from the database site. So here it is, the entire chapter have been downloaded, and you can view it with your any of the PDF reader. Okay, this is how the Nlist provides us around 6,500 journals and near about 2 lakhs ebooks of different subjects. So if you go through it, I think it will be beneficial for your study. Now, if you want to search for any subject and you do not specify either book or title, then you have to go to the search button, and then you will put the subject you want to search for, and the result will come in two columns. One is for books and journal on that particular subject, and another one is for articles. All these are downloadable and shareable, but for it you have to come to library to record your willingness to use the Nlist. So in this way you can use it, and more you use it, more you can explore, and you will definitely be benefited with this particular service. Thank you for your listening, and keep browsing. Thank you.